In a rapidly changing world, sustainable transformation is no longer a choice, it's a necessity. At the heart of this global shift is a vision of sustainable development that empowers communities, preserves our planet, and ensures well-being for generations to come. GFST is not just a think tank. It is a platform for dialogue, collaboration, and action, connecting policymakers, businesses, and innovators to unlock solutions for a more sustainable future. Through knowledge sharing and the promotion of enterprising solutions, GFST fosters innovation that drives economic growth and sustainable transformation. Our focus is on creating an ecosystem where new ideas can thrive, helping both communities and businesses adapt to the challenges of the future. By bridging the gap between policy and practice, GFST ensures that sustainable development strategies are not just theoretical ideas, but actionable steps. Our expert teams research, test, and refine strategies that can be implemented on the ground, turning vision into tangible results. We envision inclusive growth aligning closely with the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, particularly those promoting well-being, inclusiveness, and poverty reduction, with a commitment extending through 2030 and beyond. Our foundation is built on rigorous research, expert insights, and data-driven solutions. Through continuous learning, we stay at the forefront of sustainability issues, adapting our strategies to an ever-evolving global landscape. At GFST, our vision for the future is clear: a world where sustainability drives economic prosperity, where communities flourish, and is protected for generations to come. For more information, details, and key takeaways on industry trends, upcoming tech for cross-domain sustainability, Deep Tech GovTech Innovation Conclave, a latest edition of GFST Conclave series, brings you a platform to strategize a roadmap for Swarnandhra and Viksit Bharat 2047. Scan QR code today or visit our website gfst.in. Let's transform India as a global leader and take a step further towards sustainable development together.